Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I did this really cute set of Kawaii Junk nails. Oh my gosh, you guys, I am so freaking obsessed, like literally obsessed. This is an understatement. This is so fun to me and so cool. And I'm literally so excited to show you how you can do the same look, or how you guys can get the same type of look. And yeah, so I'm going to start off by showing you guys what I'm going to be using. So I have my nails. I already went ahead and buffed them. I already went and applied my stickers. I haven't done the base coat yet because I'm actually going to be encapsulating the stickers in base coat. So I'm showing you guys the types of stickers that I have here. I have a whole bunch of Hello Kitty ones that I got from AliExpress. I will definitely link these. They came in a big pack. And I'm going in with my Zulay glue because I'm going to be doing some stuff that has to be like laid flat and glued down, like these little stars, a bunch of little confettis. You guys, this is the time to pull out all that stuff that you don't really use. Like literally, I'm talking about these type of things, the things in those little containers, the little stars, little flowers, little hearts, whatever you have on deck. Like literally pull it out. And the best part about this is it's like Kawaii Junk nails, so like you can literally add whatever you want, and it could be so random, so fun, and it's literally so like, oh my gosh, I love doing it. So I'm grabbing a whole bunch of little, you can do little logos like Chanel, LV, or like little Playboy bunnies like I'm doing here. And you guys, it's just so fun. I loved doing these. And I'm just sticking those straight onto the Zulay glue, and I'm going to wait for them to dry. And then once they're fully dry, I'm going ahead and I'm going to go in and base coat all the nails. So I did add a whole bunch of little stickers on there as well. And yeah, I'm adding confettis onto the Zulay glue so they lay flat. And once they're base coated, they're going to be stuck in there, and then that's when you can add your charms on top. So I didn't feel like this video needed, I didn't feel like when I did the set it needed a video or anything. I just really wanted to show you how to do it, because I feel like if you're not really, if you're not really if you're not knowledgeable yet on press-ons or like Gelx or anything, you guys won't really know how to encapsulate these designs inside. So yes, this does work for Gelx as well as press-ons. So here I'm showing you guys a whole bunch of charms. So I know that you guys have seen these charms if you guys shop on AliExpress. There's a whole bunch of like sellers that sell bulk nail charms, random mixes of charms. This is what you guys are going to need, just a whole bunch of random nail charms that are just literally just like things you thought that you're never going to use, that you don't have doubles of, those type of charms. So you're going to need those. I have whole little sections inside of my little plastic organizers for just those types of charms that don't have a pair, that I can use for nails like this, or nails that are just fun and don't need to be so like spot on perfect on both hands. So I'm just having so much fun with this because both hands are going to be completely different. So yeah, I just wanted to say that. And like I mentioned, I am base coating all of this. So you can do 1 to 2 coats of base coat, no matter how much you need, or it's just up to how much you need is what I meant to say. Just make sure that the little pieces aren't sticking out of the base coat, because you don't want it to peel off. So yes, I'm just going to be doing that, and then now is when I'm going to be pulling out all of my nail charms. I have so many different ones. I have some from Shein, some from AliExpress. All these little charms that you just think that you're never going to use. I feel like you guys might have some of these. I know I had some of these literally since the beginning of my nail journey, so I could finally get to use them on something, and this idea was so fun. I'm going to put the name of the inspo that I got from the creator on Instagram here, but I obviously did my own take and grabbed my own charms and stuff. I got all of these cute Hello Kitties and the little frog charm from AliExpress, and then a whole bunch of these really pretty little crystals also from AliExpress. So And they are real authentic crystals, so I just wanted to say that. And I'm going to be applying all of them with some Zulays Bling adhesive. So the base coat is on there. You do want to make sure to wipe off the sticky layer of the base coat because you're going to be putting gems on top, or crystals, or sorry, yeah, you're going to be putting glue on it. So I do like to wipe it off first, and then I'm going in with a whole bunch of charms. Like I mentioned, it could be anything, you guys. Literally anything your heart desires to put on these nails. Go ahead and do it. There's no rhyme or reason. There's no perfect anything. Do whatever you please. And honestly, the only way like I thought about it was I was just trying to see what colors go good together on the nails and stuff. But other than that, I didn't care what it was. I was putting it on there. And you guys, it's so fun. I love this like eclectic kawaii type of feel, like just so much different color and different little designs and so much to look at. These are the most funnest type of nails for me to do, to be honest. Like, I just love doing it. I can't even explain it. And I actually got to do 2 different sets. So at the end, I do show you guys both sets. But I did do 2 different ones for 2 different customers. And I definitely want to make myself one of these because I love it that much. But yeah, I'm just going to let you guys watch. I'm literally just applying rhinestones. Rhinestones and different charms and things. But I did want to tell you guys, how are your holidays going? Mine have been very hectic and crazy. With my family, we decided that we would do like a Secret Santa this year. Usually we just buy gifts and just whoever gets, everyone buys gifts for everybody. But this year we wanted to do Secret Santa, but then I still ended up wanting to get gifts for everyone, so I still ended up doing that. But you guys, I'm just so extra. I love decorating. I love like gingerbread theme this year. I have like a whole bunch of gingerbread stuff and gingerbread decorations. And I definitely do hit up Hobby Lobby, you guys. If you guys don't shop at Hobby Lobby yet, or if you guys have never been there, trust me, you guys will love it. If you guys love like decorating and stuff, but you might already know what it is. But yeah, I definitely go there. And I actually just saw that Hobby Lobby was 70% off all the Christmas stuff, which I know it's kind of like late. It's already like into the month, but I feel like it's good to get stuff like at a really good sale because you could use it for next year. But yeah, I just wanted to say that. I just like rambling, but I also went to cut down my Christmas tree, and that was really, really fun. It was literally raining, pouring rain the entire time, and it was so fun. I literally drove up to the mountains to go get it, and it's just a fun little tradition. And yeah, so that's what I've been doing, and I need to build a gingerbread house. I definitely want to do that too. But you guys, life has been so hectic and so crazy. I know during the holidays it probably is for everybody. And yeah, I just wanted to ramble and talk to you guys for a little bit because I feel like I used to talk a lot and now I kind of stopped. But I want to get back into it and just talk to you guys, and that's so that you guys have something to listen to. I hate videos where it's just like playing and then there's just like music in the background. I know a lot of people do like it, but just personally me, I want to hear someone talk about something, especially if I'm watching videos while I'm like working on nails. I like listening to stuff. So if you guys are listening to this while you work, hey you guys, I hope you guys are having a good day. But yeah, that's what I've been doing. And you guys, I have really been loving pho lately. Like, I've been eating pho so much. I want it right now. Like, I literally want pho right now, and it's 9 a.m. So, like, that's literally crazy, but I've been loving it, especially with, like, the cold weather and everything. If you guys have not had pho yet, definitely try it. And if you guys like spicy, you guys can put, like, sriracha in it. You guys can put the chili oil. But if you don't, the pho is literally good on its own. So look up like pho near me or something on Google so you guys can find some if you guys haven't had it already. And it's actually not too expensive. It's usually like 10 to 15 depending on like what size pho you get. And yeah, it's so good, you guys. Oh my gosh, it's so freaking good. So I'm just rambling, but I hope you guys like this video. These kawaii nails are so cute. A lot of people liked them on my Instagram, and it made me so happy because it's not some type of nails that you usually see. A lot of people really like when nails are super cohesive and like there's like a pattern to them and the nails are exactly the same on each hand. But personally, I am not like that. I could have 2 different nails or 2 different hands of nails and they could be completely different, and I will love them so much because I love when things are just extra. You know what I mean? I'm just extra, you guys. But yeah, I'm gonna let you guys watch. I'm gonna stop rambling to you now, but let me know if you guys like the rambling. I actually did want to say that I kind of want to do just like a random giveaway as a thank you. Um, sorry, you guys, my voice. But I kind of want to do like a random giveaway. So just if you're still here, if you're watching right now, if you're listening to me, I did want to say like just comment under this video. Okay, you guys, I am here. This is actually a few days later, and this might be so random because you guys are like seeing this all together. But it was a few days ago since I filmed that whole beginning part when I was more sick, and now I feel better. But I still wanted to touch on the same subject. So if you guys want to enter this quick little giveaway that I wanted to do, it is going to be a giveaway for some nail supplies. And you guys, it's going to be so fun because I have a huge bin of a whole bunch of nail supplies, and I might be purchasing some extra things to put into the giveaway as well. But I did want to say that I want to choose how much, 2 or 3 winners, maybe 3 winners. Yeah, I'm gonna choose 3 winners to win this giveaway, you guys. And guess what, it's gonna be so fun because like I mentioned, I have a whole bunch of stuff and I might be purchasing some extra things to put in there, and my boyfriend is gonna be the one packing it for you guys. He's actually super involved in like my nail stuff, more than like most boyfriends might be, just because he's a really big help to me and he loves helping me a lot. And he always wants to like, you know, just help me in any way that he can. So he's going to be packaging the giveaway stuff for you guys. I'm gonna let him choose literally whatever he wants, and you guys, he's going to be very generous, so I really recommend you guys join. So all you're gonna have to do is just like this video and comment down below what some of your guys' family traditions are. It could be for anything, Christmas, any holiday, literally any holiday that you guys like to celebrate, even birthdays. Like, do you guys have any special traditions that you do with your family? Comment that down below with your Instagram username so I have a way to get a hold of you guys. But if you don't have an Instagram, just go ahead and put your email, and then that way I can choose the 3 winners and I will have a way to get a hold of you guys. So I just wanted to say that. And I really hope you guys do enjoy this giveaway because it's going to be really fun. I have a lot of good stuff. And yeah, if you guys don't already follow me on Instagram, you guys should, because I do some giveaways on there, and I actually just did one recently for some Christmas nails, and I'm thinking of doing another set of probably New Year's nails. So I just wanted to mention that as well. But like I said, yeah, that's all I wanted to say right there. And yeah, I don't know what to say, but that's all for right now. And here is the finishing of the nails, you guys. They're so pretty, and of course I always file the edges, but for some reason I didn't record it on this set. I somehow always forget to do it. But here is the first set that I created. Oh my gosh, it's so cute, so kawaii, and so pretty. I love these so much, you guys. This is definitely like one of my favorite sets ever, and it was like one of the easiest because you don't have to like put so much thought into it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. Like I mentioned, I'm going to link a whole bunch of different charms down below, especially mixed bags of charms that you guys can get from AliExpress. Yeah, you guys, I hope you guys like this video. Please leave a like and subscribe, and if you don't already follow me, please follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.